Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ave. I'm gonna make hair with our grandma, and then we're gonna make Cecily's wigs. And we going to do wigs, and we just going to decorate them. And we going to do wigs on style. And look at my grandma.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to do a little tutorial of a closure wig install on our beautiful model, my mommy. My mommy's gonna be, well, our mommy's gonna be our model for today. So we basically gonna do a quick install of a wig that she had purchased from the website, and cut that. She purchased from the website, and it is basically our Noelle unit in the 14-inch with color. So we're going to show y'all that because I think it's necessary. A lot of times women who do purchase wigs, they might not know directly how to install it, or they might get scared or how to install it. So we're going to basically show you the easy route of how to do it. Allie is in the back of behind the scenes, so she's here with us. So you might not see her directly on video, but you will know she's with us behind the scenes. So with that being said, let's get into it and get started. And my mom, like I said, she is with us to do our video. So yeah, but I think it's transparent because it's not blending just yet on our skin, because we're brown skin girls, chocolate girls. Sorry, Mom, I had the wig in your face. So yeah, I told you she's beautiful. Yes. So yeah, this is the texture of it, and you see it's kinky straight. You know, as you can see, it has a tint of purplish burgundy. Customize it. We balayage pieces, well, a lot of pieces. So balayage is sun kiss. So it's hair paint. Yeah, I hear it. Hair paint. What they call it behind the scenes producer. And so yes, and
you don't have to pull our wigs off.
This is ventilated. See, ventilated. It's breathable air. You know. Educate yourself. Ventilated is the best high-end cap on the market. You might hear other people say, oh no, the dome cap is, I'm not saying nothing bad, but over a period of time the dome cap will stink. Okay, this, yeah, and it loses its shape. This never loses its shape. See, this never loses its shape. See, it never loses its shape. So yes, this is on ventilated wig cap. So she is going to love this. We actually use makeup, and we put it on her wig, her lace cap. We put it on all of this, her 4x4 section. So you can also use makeup, and you can also use lace tint. We usually use our foundation color lace. A lot of times we run into issues of the lace being too white, and so we have to put heavy foundation. That's not a problem, but you got to work with it.
The undertone.
And the undertone, okay, the undertone, what I noticed too, a lot of chocolate girls, when we see wigs, the lace tint or the lace is too red. When I see that on movies, when we see it on movies, I know that it might need to be some work done. But with our wigs, we don't have that issue because we know about undertones, and you know, we know about hair. And a lot of times people might say, you don't have to have a wig business to do that. No, scratch it. You don't have to have a license, but I feel like you need to have education. You have to have that proper knowledge. So with that, you can notice with my mom. Mommy, can you look that part? is no issue. You see? And people might say, well, let me see closer. That's the closest you're gonna get. Right there. That's beautiful. See how natural it is? When we see a lot of times, ladies be having their lace tint too red. And I hate it. It's too red. It's not the right tone. So, with that being said, learn and know more about how to properly use your makeup. Some people might use the wrong foundation too as well, but when you have the right color and right foundation, that's why I don't really recommend you using lace tint, because it's just a guess and not everybody's that skin tone. So so we laid her hair down. We didn't did it on camera, but we put our foundation on, and then this already come with, we already did baby hairs with it. And right now we're going to do a video next of how we glue it down. So this is already glueless, but to secure it more, we're going to glue her. So right now I have the temperature set for this hot comb, and you can pick this hot comb up from Walmart, or you can also pick it up at a beauty supply store. I am taking the hot comb gently to her hairline, and I'm pushing it back to basically melt in, give it a good melt, let's just say that. And then I have her baby hair separated from her frontal, as you can see right there, and they are plucked beautifully. So I'm gently flattening it. She don't want volume to this, not too much for her look. We didn't want to do a lot of volume to her front, and it is very beautiful. So I'm using Got To Be glue spray, and I'm also using an edge control brush, as you can see, and I'm going back and forth with mom to whether she wants baby hairs or she doesn't want baby hairs. So if you see me doing back and forth thing, she wants a little bit of baby hairs, just a little bit, so something seamless. She's not gonna go all crazy with the baby hairs. So I'm using zigzag shears. I want to say, that's the cosmetologist in me, is to say the zigzag shears, or you can say zigzag scissors. You can pick this one up from Amazon, and we'll definitely leave the link below. When I did purchase these zigzag scissors, I actually thought they were small, and when I got it, they were big. So they were very big, but they get the job done. So just let you know, they do get the job done. It creates the zigzag shears creates a seamless look. You know how you get the look for like razors, when you see the other girls that cut the frontals or their closures with razors? Be careful with that, because you might end up cutting somebody's head, forehead. And I'm gently cutting her lace little by little, because if you cut too much, you're gonna mess it up. Okay, just let you know. But you see the little bit of the riggedness that it gives, and it melts. Look how that's melting. Okay, look how that's melting. You can't beat that. You see a line? You see a line in that? If you see a line, you're lying. Okay, you see a line, you're lying. And yeah, it creates a great zigzag etching feel to any frontal or any closure. So I'm going in and put the Got To Be glue spray on, freeze spray little by little, and then I'm going to take my brush and blow dry it. Who, me?
I ain't need no more makeup, right? I'm good to go.
Setting powder.
Who?
Few moments later.
So this is my mom's final look, and we wanted to show you how we do this for, you know, our closure week. Mommy, you've been beautiful before. But you look so beautiful. Mama, you like it?
Love it.
She love it. She might go to sleep in it, or she might not. So yeah, but you can go to sleep when you install these wigs like that. You can go to sleep with your wig if you want to. I usually pop mine off, so when I'm finished with it, I'm gonna just take this off and wear me like a cap or something like that. So yeah, so basically we wanted to show you guys how you do it. It's simple. Just keep on practicing. You might not be like, oh, I'm a pro at it just yet, but just keep it simple as possible. You know, you can use some lace glue, or you can use some freeze spray, but this is got the bee spray. It's hard glue down, but you can use that as well. I used this on my mom, and it was easy to use. A little bit watery, but you know, just pace yourself, and you know, just give yourself a certain amount and how to do it. It's not hard to do, so just let you know. So that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to tell us in comments below, and follow us on Instagram and support small businesses. Bye.
Bye.